चंद्रा मुखडा चंद्रवाणी फुलला ग राजा हळूच बघतोय कसा तांदूळवाडी. All good? You want to stop or something? Alright, 3:57 a.m. We are a bit late by 27 minutes. A very good morning, guys. This is Chasing Nirvana and welcome back to my channel. So we are leaving for Thane today and Brahma is absolutely packed. Let's go start. And this beautiful family is from the security and they had to wake up for us, but let's go. It's a 14-minute journey. It's showing 6:11 p.m. as an estimated time of arrival, so definitely it's gonna take us more than that. Chalo, back. Bye. Auntie ऊपर gallery में, and those are our neighbors. 14 hours 13 minutes. Ganpati Bappa Moria. Jai Maa Kali. It's gonna take us to reach Thane at least 14 hours, right? And right now, without any breaks, the estimated time of arrival is 6:16 p.m. So I think it's gonna be more than that. We'll probably reach by 8 p.m. Okay, I forgot the camera is rolling. So finally we are heading towards home, and we've been planning this since a while now, after I had dropped my papers. So yeah, so we'll ride to Thane. We'll be staying there till 31st. I have a lot of videos to edit. Oh, forgot to mention it's 23rd of August and we are undertaking this journey today. So the reason we are going to complete this in a day slowly and steadily is because if you are traveling from Mumbai to Hyderabad, there are no good hotels after Solapur. So if you want to take a break, you'll have to take a break at Solapur, because that's the only place where you can find good accommodation. Whereas if you're traveling from Hyderabad to Mumbai, once you cross Solapur, you're gonna find ample of places where you can accommodate for a day. Alright, the other good thing I forgot to mention is the weather is clear today, so hopefully it stays this way for long, although we have our rain gears, but a clear day any day helps, right? So we are done with Hyderabad. Brahma is done with Hyderabad. Now towards Gandhinagar, first to Mumbai, Thane, and then Gandhinagar. So in the past 6-7 months, I think we have traveled a lot with Brahma, and this is something amazing, right? It's been 7 months and I think we have covered around 5,000 plus kilometers exclusively on tours. So yep. तुला जायलाच दिलंय मी. The sooner you get out of the city, the better. And it being just 4:27 a.m, people are wide awake. There are so many people on the road. Hyderabad starts early actually, even on weekends. And boys and girls, Mumbai is 44 kilometers away, and whereas Thane is 6. Why is Thane 6:52? I don't know which one's true. Oh yeah, because when we are going to Navi Mumbai, there's a diversion that takes you to Mumbai, right? So yeah, we have amazing roads, amazing roads, amazing roads. We have a vehicle approaching from the back, from the back. Let's switch the lane, switch the lane, switch the lane. Alright guys, ladies and gentlemen, we have done 100 kilometers. I'm gonna take a halt at a petrol pump. Let's get back on track. 10 a.m. or 12 hours, 30 minutes to go. In case if we don't take a break. So we saw the sun rising in the back, but we are covered with clouds, and we are more 571 kilometers away from Thane. 11 hours 54 minutes of journey remains without break. We're gonna stop for breakfast and lunch, so it's gonna take some time. This is on cruise now. Umarga, Mumbai 500 toll road end. So fuck. Fuck. Toll road ends और आगे खड्डे. This is such a scary thing. Signage above that the toll road ends. As soon as the toll road ended, there was huge potholes, fucking huge potholes. So we have entered Maharashtra. We just crossed the Karnataka-Maharashtra border. I think we are still around 20 to 30 kilometers away from Solapur. Right, I just stopped because I wanted to put the GoPro on charging. Hopefully it's charging now. So now it's a task. Getting this beast up is perfect. तू भी जोर लगाया क्या? तू जोर लगाया? Nice. Teamwork makes the dream work. Now let's go. So we're closing in Solapur. We are in Shirgapur now. Wow, baby. Look at this beast. इथे मागे चेक कर. XP आहे का यांच्याकडे? Alright, lovely day, lovely weather. It's gonna heat up in a while, but so far so good. We have covered around 289 kilometers till now, and we're gonna stop at Pasaidan. It's our favorite hotel whenever we visit Turzapur. Akkalkot, we often go visit that restaurant so that we can have breakfast there. So भेटूया थोड्याच वेळात Pasaidan मध्ये. So we just realized that the Pasaidan hotel is almost 150 kilometers away. So we'll probably stop at some place else to eat, right? And yeah, back on track. 2 hours 51 minutes for the Hotel Poseidon, but we're not going to eat there, but still I've added that as a stop. So let's go. Ba-bang, 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 bang, 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 ba-bang, ba-bang. Alright, we just crossed Solapur. It's not that far though. Technically we are in Solapur, but yeah, we are here at the Hotel Dhanashri, and we'll probably have a breakfast. And there she is. Weather is turning hot right now, so I really want it to drizzle, to rain at least a bit, so that we can enjoy the Maharashtra rains. अपन ने 304 in 4 hours 23 minutes. Alright, we were having a breakfast at Hotel Dhanashri. I think it's run by a family. It's lovely. So after 7 or 8 months, we have finally had good Maharashtrian misal pav and vada pav. So it's, and the weather is turning quite harsh right now, but कोई नहीं, चलता है तो चलते हैं. जय भवानी. दादा भरून घे, तू भरून घे. हाँ 317 आहे. काय दादा चॅनल? दादा हे बघ, हे वाला चेजिंग निर्वाणा. हां ही गाडी आपली BMW F900cc. काय म्हणता? ट्रॅकिंग हां हां हां, टुरिंग. येस येस येस. So I've stopped here at the checkpost, right? Because for the reason this gentleman right here to my right wanted to just check out the vehicle. So we had a good conversation. He's from Baramati, right? So when I stopped, he was like, "He gaadi bagayi tumji fakta." So again, one of the wonderful conversations happened with the Maharashtra police. So that's a given. Like I was saying, it's always a good conversation with Maharashtra police. Yes, चला काळजी घ्या. ए पाऊस आला, बारिश आया रे. झूम आउट कर. यस प्रीटी. चल ठीक है, कुछ नहीं. गिरा तो गिरा. नाइस. लेट्स गो. बग्स प्लॅटर. शिट, काय बग्स मिळालेत खतरनाक. I think let's ride. We can outrun the rain. Shivai. All right, 3:23. Estimated time of arrival is 8:30. Fuck this 170 kilometer. 5 hours. 5 hours for what? इंडिकेटर दाखवा काकू. आ गया पुणे का ट्रैफिक. मतलब मेरे को समझता नहीं है, स्कार्फ नेसेसरी है, हेलमेट नेसेसरी नहीं है गाड़ी चलाते समय। बैक टू महाराष्ट्र's beautiful mountains guys। अरे तोड़ना ही मित्रा, अजिबात तोड़ना ही। ये भी नया किया अभी, ये सब रोड नया बनाया। नाइस। What's the time? वाजले आहेत 6:14 and we are near Lonavala. There's a food court that's been set up here. Just gonna have some coffee probably and put the GoPro on Iron Man setup mode. Oh, muddy. Yeah. Oh, it was so muddy and so beautiful just a while ago. It rained and it cleared all the mud, but lovely. Let's go. 7:04. We are in Lonavala. More. How many hours? So I'm just gonna 3 hours. Yeah. 88 kilometers and 3 hours. कोण पहिल्यांदा येत असेल तर त्याची फाटेलच. कोणी पहिल्यांदा इथून येत असेल तर त्याची फाटणारच. We're loving riding in the night, I must say. There's a charm in it, but again, got to be very, very cautious. And surprisingly, post leaving Pune and being stuck in the traffic for at least 2 hours, 2.5 hours, I'm still fresh, still pretty much awakened in the zone and in the moment of riding. What a wonderful thing it is.